right there? Okay. This is how it was when I dug it out with Andy out of the backyard with your help. I want you to hold the picture. Okay. All right. Stay right there. Looking at it. There you go. Thank you. Special day.
Hey, no, that's white.
No, it's not easy.
There's another white one.
I'm on the wrong side of the road.
Because you dated it on the back side too.
Yes, I already had this for a while. I had the shop next to it.
Look, Dave. Look.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Order an international pickup?
Oh, pretty. Look at the color. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, good job.
This is John.
No, wait.
It's Kurt.
Hi.
Nice to meet
Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. It's like stepping back into time.
Yeah, we'll prime it. No, we
Gosh, look at this. Come on, look at the door. This door looks better than it did originally.
Really?
I didn't know that. It looks better. This door looks
Cute little truck.
cute little truck. You have a car like this at home?
No, that's
Is that the same steering wheel and everything?
Yeah.
Wow.
So you don't have any gas in
This tank here, no. It's all. I have a full tank on it.
Let's see, if that tank plugged up, we could have went to this tank.
Because what I did is I switched my tanks.
Yeah, it's there's definitely no fuel in the pump.
Really? That's weird.
I know.
But you don't think the switch is plugged? Because you cleaned the switch.
I did, yeah. I cleaned the orange out too. I didn't, on the tank, who knows. I didn't like the coating job the guy did. Yeah. It was kind of icky.
Well, I think to go get some gas and it'll stall out with the gas.
That'll, because if that tank's plugged, then this one will work.
Yeah, well, that tank's
If it
pretty
still
hefty.
don't work,
Resurrected.
It looks good, huh?
Go ahead and switch.
Oh, look at the engine.
yeah, we switch it up there. How much gas you got?
Beautiful.
Probably that too.
Oh my goodness.
You know what's funny?
It's money.
Credit.
That too.
Plastic.
How pretty.
Warming up and all of a sudden. See what we can do here.
All right. What do you think, Pop?
Slide in here, I remember. Slid in.
Smells like brand new truck.
Practically is.
That's what I had done.
41 years ago.
Oh, it's not a fuel pump's brand
Can
new.
you see the picture?
Well, I know that, but what I'm saying is, you shouldn't have any problem getting fuel.
Right.
What you change the fuel for?
Brand new. All brand new.
In July it'll be
But how can you be-
41.
how can you be out of gas?
That's the thing. This tank's full. That tank's empty. I switched it. So, I mean,
Are you driving, Logan?
get the inside.
40 years. Excuse me. I'm a long man.
Looks pretty good, huh?
Beautiful.
We'll have to wait, but it's not working.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, look at the pipe.
It has a lot of gas.
The pipe is beautiful.
It has a lot of
I'll go around this way.
Oh wow, the bumper looks nice. Pretty.
It's neat, huh?
I think it looks better than it did when we first got it.
Really?
Yeah, it does actually. It's better because it's got a better paint job. It's got everything better.
Where?
It's not running at the moment. That's
How'd
funny.
they get here?
It's been running for 3 weeks.
Huh?
How'd they get here then if it's not
All of a
running?
sudden
They got it to the parking lot and then they rolled it down.
I thought it was quiet.
I know. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'll figure it out.
He's all happy. He's like, oh, that's a funny joke. Okay, come on. Like, that's no joke.
What?
Pretty. Yeah, make it prettier. It is prettier, yeah. It's
Looks
got
good.
better everything.
It looks good.
We got really good chrome work on it.
Yeah. Does that sound?
Sounds like it's working now.
Why did you do it?
Yeah. We're just running and then I just quit. Why did
You guys change tanks?
There it is. Yeah, we didn't move tank everything on the right tank.
Logan.
Watch the street, sweetie.
Well, like I said, we had
He went where he could get help.
Okay, we're going to drive up the street and come back and have this over again.
Okay, just pretend to go, wow!
That's awesome. Thanks, you guys.
Well, we're sitting up there waiting, and it died, and we're like, oh crap.
Well, that's what he thought you were. He's like, oh yeah, whatever. You're joking. He thought it was a joke.
Well, he's the mechanic. I just did all the bodywork and the paint, and so that's why he's here, because he's part of it.
Oh yeah.
And then look, Kurt, we got a problem. He goes, you're joking, right? I go, no.
It's funny.
The rocket truck.
Oh well.
What?
Rocket?
Rocket.
Rev it, rocket.
No, it's full. It's got fuel all the way up.
Had an air pocket.
Oh, is that what happened?
Air
In the
pocket
tank?
Fuel.
Huh. Got it.
Hey, it's
Going for
running
a ride?
now. Okay.
Well, Logan couldn't figure out why we kept bringing it back and then leaving it and bringing it back and leaving it. He's like, but I wanted to stay at home.
And Dave says, don't they know where they're going?
I know.
I think so.
I'm gonna go get them.
Bad hit.
We'll ride in a moment. We'll just go around the block.
All right.
I got my phone.
It's in the tow truck.
He'll come back. Our first new truck. He's coming back.
Stay right there.
Like my car.
So, how was it?
Very nice.
There you go.
You want to sit in there? Look, why don't you move over?
Had air in the line.
A little bit.
That's what I would imagine.
Yeah. Might not have a picture of you, but I got video.
You know,
Hey, I'm not wearing makeup. It's okay. You look good without makeup, honestly.
yes you do. I have like the footballer eyes.
Hey you guys. Psst. How do you like the blue truck?
It's fun.
Was it fun? Did you go for a ride?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Nice.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it was great.
Good.
Other than the fact it didn't start first, I think it got air in the line. That's kind of what happened.
Yeah.
So, you know, because it's got dual tanks, and you know, I had switched it recently and been running on the other tank, but somehow they must have got an air bubble or something. But once we primed the carburetor, it fired right up. So far, so good. So I'll just keep an eye on it. I talked to Kurt, and he said that, hey, if it acts up again, just let me know. Just keep an eye on it. So I'm not too worried about that. But it's funny that it happens on reveal day, and all of a sudden things won't start because it runs out of gas. So, but it was nice to be able to go out with a ride with my dad and my oldest son. And I'll take the other two.
Yeah.
Go home with them. Take it home. But you see, everybody gets a kick out of looking at it. Well, thanks for making this possible, honey. I couldn't have done it without your support.
I love you.
I love you too.
Sure does.